SoCal, and it's been raining the past couple days. Doesn't look like it's gonna pass until maybe tomorrow or the next day. So I'll just be hanging out with the family. Virgin should be heading down here on Thursday, and I think we're gonna link up and head down to Paris. The weather should be passing then. Paris, California, not Paris, France. FYI. Word. I'll see you guys when I see you. Peace.
Got nothing here to live without. Getting high, so
Got a little break in the rain. We're gonna go try to rip some packs.
take it all, we can leave our bodies. Take it all, we can leave our bodies. If we take it all, yeah, I wanna take it all. Take it all. If we take it all, yeah, I wanna take it all. If we take it all, I wanna take it all. We can leave our bodies. If we take it all, yeah, I wanna take it all. Steps as we try to walk ahead. Hold on, this could take a while. Flashes through another silhouette, moving through another light. And no one told me what it's gonna feel like, so I pretend that's how it's gonna be like. I got nothing here to live without. Getting high's all I think about. Take it all, we can leave our bodies. Take it all, we can leave our bodies. If we take it all.
My bro's being super nice and retrieving my quad in the rain for me. The fucking rain is real, guys. But I've been itching to fly, so I came over here and said fuck it.
What?
Unplug the battery. Conformal coat your shit, and you can fly in the rain until you can't see and you hit stuff. That was that funny noise.
If we take it all, yeah, I wanna take it all. If we take it all, yeah, I wanna take it all. If we take it all, I wanna take it all. We can leave our bodies. If we take it all, yeah, I wanna take it all.